Hey guys, deliciousVB here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to create a Windows 7 style list view. And I think a lot of you have been quite disappointed in the default list view here, that the default list view control. And let me start off by saying that this does not require downloading anything. It's very simple. It's a very simple piece of code. It's very short. It's a very short piece of code. So first, let me add some items at design time so that I can just test it out quickly. So test item. Let's do that. And what I'm going to do is set the view to details, and this is really slow. I am rendering a video right now. That's probably why. But anyway, so you set it to details, and you go up to columns, and I'm gonna set the columns. I'm gonna add a column, and I'm gonna call it, let's see, column, I don't know, let's just do age. I already know it. Name. Boom. And the name is test item. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like in a second when you select the item. But now, first I'm going to do full row select. I'm going to set it as true. And I'm going to change the font quickly to the Windows default font, so it looks better, which, by the way, for those of you who don't know, is, I think that's how you say it, Cjo? I don't know. UI 9 points. That is the default Windows font. But anyway, so you resize that and you'll start it. And you'll probably be disappointed to see that the list view is actually quite different from the list view that you see here. So take a look at this list view. And I think this list view looks much better, but I mean, I guess Microsoft was just too lazy to make their default list view control this style. But you know, it's very easy to make it this style. And I'm going to show you how, and hopefully this builds soon. I kind of want it to build soon. My computer's really slow right now because I'm rendering a video. I really shouldn't be recording while rendering. But anyway, let's drag this here. And you'll see that, ew, that's like, it's black. And then you select it. There's a dark blue highlight. And there's a dark blue highlight, and the text turns white. That does not look the same as this. It doesn't even look close to this. Look at this. This looks so much better. The font color stays the same. All it's doing is it's kind of translucent, you know. I think it looks a lot better. It's all up to opinion, really, but a lot of other people think it looks better. Now, a lot of other people think it looks better. Now, so I'm going to show you how to make it like that. So first you want to do, well, I have the code in my clipboard here. And this is the code. We don't need this. We can copy this and paste this here. So yeah, this is the thing. And you have to say using what's the system dot, it's interrupt services, system dot runtime, I think it is, dot interrupt services. Yes. Okay, so in system dot runtime dot interrupt services, and it will give you this DLL import thing, and you want to say this dot listview1 dot handle, and dot handle is basically like the form you can see. Dot handle is basically the form that it's in. So it's not like you just do this for the list view and all the other things will be Windows 7 style. You might realize that something like the tree view looks kind of ugly too, and you're like, wait, I want to make the tree view like the Windows tree view, like this one. Well, you can't come very close, but at least you can come much closer by doing the same thing, except instead of saying this dot listview1 dot handle, you can do this dot treeview1 dot handle. But anyway, this should work. And you'll see that when you run it, wait for it. That's amazing. Look, it's that it's the translucent rectangle we were talking about, that blue rectangle, and that's what it looks like. And it looks a lot more like the File Explorer. Now, it's still not exactly the same. Fortunately, you can't get it exactly the same because Windows does a lot of styling on their OS, but it looks pretty It looks pretty similar. So that's pretty good, and that's basically how you do it. So I hope I solved your problem. I hope that was what you were looking for when you searched this video. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something. If you have any problems, put them down below. This may be a little confusing sometimes, but so thank you guys for watching. Again, questions go in the comments below, and I will see you guys tomorrow.